afternoon, Officer Justine. And this is my partner. Her name is Cory. Okay, Cory, show them your sweet smile. Come on, Cory. So, my name is Officer Val, and he's my partner, a junior member of the Marine Patrol, and her name is Chloe. Okay, Chloe, say hi to everyone. Well, you know what, folks, here at Ocean Adventure, we are very much concerned about the environment. Even our sea lions want to do their part to help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So, Officer Val.
Yes, Officer Justine.
Is everyone ready to go?
Then let's see, Officer.
Yes, we are ready! Good, now let's show these fellas how sharp we are.
All right.
Ready?
Attention! Hey, Chloe, what are you doing? You are not supposed to Chloe. Chloe! 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 Get up! Okay, I know. Do you want some fish? Do you want some fish? Very funny. To work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit. And that is no problem for Chloe and Cory because those are South American sea lions, not the seal. How can you tell? First, they have this big and powerful front livers. But how powerful are they? Chloe will show you how. Chloe, please. Hey, Officer Justine.
Yes, Officer Val.
How's Chloe's strength?
You know what? Not bad.
Hey, what do you mean not bad?
Because Cory here can do better than that.
Wow, we love to see that, officer.
Okay, Cory, step out here and show these fellas what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please.
Come on, Cory. You are not kidding, Officer Justine.
Well, there's another feature that makes them different from a seal. Is their high flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Okay, girls, show them your back flippers.
Come on, Cory.
There you go.
But crucials from Adam's are very different. They have small front flippers and their back flippers to rotate so on land, they move a little bit funny.
Now, first, would you like to see Cory and Chloe's imitation of a seal? Hey guys, would you like to see it? Yes. Okay, girls, show them a seal.
Show them.
Hey, officer, this looks like a seal, alright?
And this is how a seal walks.
Okay, now see what we mean? A little bit funny on land. Now, folks, how about a big round of applause for Chloe and Cory?
Thank you so much, Officer Justine and Chloe. See you in a little while. Alright, so moving on. Chloe here would like to demonstrate a very important skill that every member of the Marine Patrol must have. And that is the remarkable self-control. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to ask Chloe to lie down here on the deck. Just like that. Then, stay right there, Chloe. Then I'm going to place 4 juicy fish right in front of Chloe's face. The rule is she can only eat each fish on the top of my hands for only one at a time. Good girl, Chloe. Show me what? There you go. Let's start with the first fish. Now, she eats and she stays. Good girl. Hey, stop! Hey, what are you doing? Do you think you can fool her again? So unless all of you pose, huwag tayo maklap ng hands. You see, I told you. She's really good at this. Okay, Chloe, we're gonna have the third fish. Now, Alright, and one more fish to go and we are done for the last fish. The fish is gone. So Carly, did you eat the last fish? Yes? Okay, Chloe, tell me honestly, did you eat the last fish? But a lot of people show you, Chloe, show them what happened to a bad sea lion. Show them. Ano daw po? And of course, I'm only kidding. In fact, I'm gonna give her another chance, but this time it's gonna be more difficult. Instead, on the floor, I'm going to place this juicy fish right on top of Chloe's big nose. Wherein she can see it, she can smell it, but she cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Okay, folks? Same rule applies. Come on, clap your hands, everybody! See that? Okay, you can have your fish now. And then serve for you.
Okay, and here comes our challenger.
Alright folks, Chloe is ready, Sir Chris is ready, let the games begin. Round 1. Sir Chris, we are starting out easy on you. All you have to do is to turn and don't forget to wiggle. Alright, kaya mo yun, sir? Okay, let's wait for Cory. Alright, sir, it's your turn. Come on, right over here. And turn. But you have to do it sea lion style. Come on. Hands on the neck. Come on, lower. Now, you ready? Now, turn. And don't forget one thing. Don't forget to lean. Quick up, sir, Chris. Come on. qualification to be part of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. And because of that, sir, we have something for you. The sea, sir. Wow, a juicy fish. Come on, you can eat it now. I'm just kidding. Why don't you go ahead and give it to Cory? Let's move closer. Just toss it into her mouth. Come on, closer. Just like that. Wow, great job, Sir Chris. Sir Chris, since you are all wet, you have a new shirt, shorts, and slippers from the gift shop. All for free. Great job.
Just like a broken flipper. Oh, see that? And that is going to be painful. Well, now, like what I've said, nets left behind are extremely dangerous. Animals like Cory could get entangled with this kind of net and see what will happen next.
Come on, Cory, girl.
Okay, now after getting entangled, slowly, come on, Cory. Oh no, see that? She drowns. Poor Cory. Well, what a fine acting job though. So folks, how about a big round of applause for Cory? behalf of our Sea Lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today. But before we go, please join us in the proud salute.
Everybody! Salute to the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. We are working hard to protect our precious marine resources. So please, do your part to help.
Now once again folks, maraming salamat po and we hope you enjoy your stay here at Ocean Adventure. Goodbye everyone!
Bye!